regional and multilateral.
A section of members of parliament have hailed county assemblies for shooting down Dr. Ekuru Aukot's Punguza Mzigo Bill as they anticipate the Building Bridges Initiative proposals. Now the leaders led by Nyeri Town Member of Parliament Ngunjiri Wambugu say they will fully support BBI.
So our statement is headlined, "Congratulations to county assemblies for rejecting Punguza Mzigo." And now we also want to make a commitment to support the BBI process that is, as far as we are concerned, is starting out in a couple of days. So as members of parliament, we'd like to make the following statement. We want to congratulate all the county assemblies who have ensured that the Punguza Mzigo bill did not go through. We note that, except for Uasin Gishu, all other assemblies that have discussed this bill rejected it primarily on the basis of lack of inclusivity on how or in how it was prepared. We also want to point out the fact that there are political forces that had expected to use Punguza Mzigo as a political tool to divide Kenyans, as well as use it to create obstacles against the Building Bridges Initiative. We hope that they have learned that Kenyans are not for sale. On the Building Bridges Initiative, we note that even before coming to Kenyans with proposals on what Kenyans should do, the task force established by President Uhuru Kenyatta and former Prime Minister Raila Odinga went across the country collecting views on what Kenyans think about the 9 key areas that we all generally agree adversely affect the state of our nationhood. We also note the inclusiveness of the Building Bridges Initiative during views collection and expect that this inclusivity will continue even after the report is launched, and especially in regard to public participation on any expected draft bills to be derived from that report. This will ensure BBI does not suffer the fate of Punguza Mzigo. As a parliamentary caucus that supports the Building Bridges Initiative, we look forward to the report that we expect will be presented to the President and former Prime Minister in a few days. We also expect that this report will be made available to all Kenyans, and we commit as members of parliament to do our part politically to ensure all Kenyans interrogate it comprehensively. We also look forward to the public participation forums where Kenyans will get a chance to discuss any proposed changes to the Constitution that will be derived from this report, and where Kenyans will get an opportunity to decide how they want their country governed to ensure every single Kenya feels included. Finally, we want to assure the President, the former Prime Minister, and all Kenyans that we will do our part to complete the journey of uniting Kenyans together.